This video is about decoy owls. I found these decoy owls on the curb and I brought them home, and my wife liked them, and she put them up on some limbs just for decorations in the yard. Well, it's been a week and a half now, and I haven't seen any hummingbirds at all. So trying to get them to come back to their feeder. So I set up a speaker here with some hummingbird calls. Hopefully I can attract them back. See here, get one of these to play. So hopefully I can get them to come back. I'll be playing this for a while. Don't make the same mistake I made.